Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to put vacation date on my calendar in new Outlook. So first thing is just simply open the app, and now on the left side, just simply go to the calendar over here. And now here guys, just simply go for the month, and here you will have a preview of the current month, and you will have the current date. So just simply go ahead and select the date and just simply select new event on the top left over here. So guys, from here, just simply add a title over here. I'm gonna go for vacation over here. And after that, just simply select this one as out of office. And from here, just simply provide the person that you want to send this to, or people that you want to let them know that you are on vacation. And after that, just simply select this time zone over here and just simply select an end date over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for vacation until 21. And after that, of course, just simply provide a time over here. And after that, you could just simply provide a description on your meeting. And after that, you don't have to remind them over here. And just simply select save. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.